But for what it's worth, I am continuously impressed by you.
What's up, YouTube? And today we're going to be going over the rise and fall of Felicia Joy. Wait, sorry, wrong video. Actually, we're going to be doing my girlfriend's voiceover. She didn't give me a script or anything to go over this, but I'm going to try it. Oh, Sarah V, look at Sarah V. So what she's going to do is she's going to scrub it all over her face, you know, on her nose, over on her cheeks, on her forehead, eyebrows. Okay. All right. Yep. Thumbs up. All right. On her eyebrows again. And then she rubs it down her face. All right. Burt's Bees, some lip balm. Okay, put that on your. Okay. I don't know what that is. Is highlight? No, not highlight. I don't know what that is. I don't. Blue. Beauty blender. Yeah, she's gonna blend it into her skin. All right, we see that underneath that eye, and then underneath that eye, and then I think her nose, and then between her eyebrows. Okay. All right. I don't know what that does, but you know, starting to look cute, even though she is elf camo. What is? All right. I don't know what that is. All right. She's just gonna pat it down, pat it all around her face. Okay. All right. Underneath her eyes, between her nose. Wait, no, not between her nose. Along the side of her nose. I don't know what that is. Oh, I thought that was for her eyes. All right, wait, hold up. What does it fit me? I don't know. Damn it. All right. Around her eye. Okay, there we go. Underneath her eyes again. I don't know what that is. Contour? Is that contour? Ladies in the comments, is that contour? Fit me. Wait, what is that? Okay. She's opening up. She struggled a little bit. She needs some more of it because she's running out. That's highlight. No, that's not highlight. What is that? Wait. Contour? Okay, I don't know what that is. It's blending in, looking at the camera, I think. I don't know. Maybe I just texted her. That's why. All right, around her face, around. Okay, all right. This is kind of like a reaction video too, by the way. So I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing as far as. Oh wait, Born to Glow. Oh, okay. She's getting some highlight. Yeah, she didn't give me a script, so here I am just telling you guys what I see. All right, on her nose. Wait, why does this look gold? What is that? Is she putting gold on her face? All right, she's brushing it on. Okay, is she talking to me? Stop looking. Look at the camera, please. All right, there we go. Eyebrows, nose. All right, brow pencil. Oh, she's doing the wing. Okay, she naturally has that, but you know, enhance it a little bit, I guess. All right, thumbs up. Nice. All right, into her brows. Okay. What is that? Instant. Oh, what the? All right, here she goes struggling. And struggling more. And struggling more. And struggling more. Don't know what that is. Mulan? What is that? Purple? Okay. Putting it around. All right, her lips. Can you guys not make fun of me in the comments? You know, I'm just new to this. Lip gloss. No, chapstick. No. What is it called? No. Lipstick? What is that? Got toothpaste on her face. Okay. I could never be a beauty channel. This is hard. Elf. All right. What is that? Gold highlight? I know. I'm so confused. All right. The other side. Okay. All right. I think it's now for the band. Okay. Look at that beautiful hair. All right. I said it was beautiful. Okay. Now up in a hair tie. All right. All right. Push it back. What is that? Is that slick back? What is that? Water? Goofy. All right. Now up, down. All right. She's gonna put it in hair tie. I think like an oversized one because she has a lot of hair. Any day now. Any day now. You talking to me? Why is she talking to me? Focus on the video. All right. All right. Here is back. Oh, I think she actually had me. Wait, what is that? Gold series. Pantene. I don't think you had to smell it. Yeah, she had. All right. She had me with a black screen, so I couldn't see what it is, what she was doing. All right, slick back. All right. What the? All right, sorry. Go back to comment. What the? All right. Okay. She hurt her hand. Ultra glue. Ladies, you put glue in your hair? All right. A brush, you know. What? Okay. All right. So now she's giving herself some waves. All right. I mean, she's kind of messing them up because she's going backwards, but okay. The extension. Hey. And clips, I think. All right. All right. She's detaching. Wait, no, not detaching. Oh, she's spinning it around. All right. Around and around and around. Okay. Story time. I saw a picture with her with extensions on, and I thought it was a real hair. Because her hair really is long. And I thought it was just straightened, but it wasn't. And then she made fun of me for a week. And I think she's still going to bring it up till this day. All right. It's kind of like getting a little, all right. Fringe? Oh, here she goes. She's struggling. Oh, yes, we see the box. Okay. Point at it. You should have read the instructions off camera. Look at this struggle. Oh my. All right. Open it that way. Struggling. Angry face. She just muted me. She hung up on me. Open it up. And she just broke it. All right. Okay, look at that lace frontal. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I just saw it on TikTok. Okay. Looking like a suburban mom. Okay, fresh cut. Okay. It's coming all together. Okay, do a little dance. What is that? Oh. I thought you were done with all that. That's why we went to your hair. All right. Eyelashes. Okay. All right. We're on this one eye for a while. It must have been very bunched up. Very bunched up. Oh, okay. All right. Hey. Go crazy. Hey. Like, comment, subscribe. All right.